In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable HTTPS only mode in Google Chrome. This setting helps keep your browsing safer by trying to load every site over a secure, encrypted connection. When it's on, Chrome automatically upgrades connections to HTTPS whenever possible. If a site doesn't support HTTPS, Chrome will warn you so you can decide whether to proceed. Turning it off can be useful for older or internal sites that only work over HTTP, but for most people, leaving it on is the more secure choice. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu, which opens Chrome's main options. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Preferences, where we'll make the change. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls things like browsing safety, permissions, and site data. Next, select Security. This page groups Chrome's protection features, including safe browsing and secure connection options, in one place so they're easy to manage. Scroll down until you see the Secure Connections section. This is where the HTTPS feature lives. Look for the option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. Turning this on enables HTTPS only mode, which means Chrome will attempt to connect securely to every site you visit. If the secure version isn't available, Chrome will show a warning so you're aware before continuing. If you need to visit sites that don't support HTTPS, common with some legacy tools, you can toggle this off to disable the enforcement and load those pages without prompts. A quick tip. After you change this setting, any new tabs you open will use your updated preference right away. If you have a page open that was using an insecure connection and you've just enabled the feature, simply refresh the page to let Chrome try the secure version. Also, if you run into an unexpected warning for a trusted site, confirm the address is correct and that you're on the official page. Sometimes typos or lookalike domains can trigger alerts for good reason. That's all there is to it. By adjusting this one toggle, you decide whether Chrome should always push for encrypted connections or allow standard HTTP when needed. For most users, keeping it on adds an extra layer of protection with minimal disruption. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along with more quick, clear tutorials just like this one.